Logging into your Linux, the first command you want to issue is sudo apt install docker.io-y. The docker.io package is the containerization software, perfect for running applications such as uptime-kuma. There are a few more lines of CLI to complete the install. The next line is sudo apt install docker-compose. Docker-compose defines and runs multiple containers. This install takes a little while, so I have sped this up. Now, create a directory for mykuma at the command prompt and cd into it. We are going to create a YAML file within the nano editor here, called docker-compose.yml. The code for this is on the GitHub page, but I have also included it in the description below. It includes information such as the container name and port number, which you will see shortly. Save the file and exit back out of the nano editor. An ls shows it is ready to go. The file itself needs activating, if you will, so we issue the command sudo docker-compose up-d. It begins downloading and installing various components, and this will take a few moments. Before you can begin monitoring your devices, you need to set up your account and log in. If you type in the IP address of your Linux device, followed by colon and the port number of 3001, you will see the prompt to create your uptime-kuma account. Begin by creating a username and password and then repeating the password, and you are set. Once you click Create, it will log you straight into your account and dashboard. The first thing you should do is change it to dark mode. Everyone loves dark mode, right? Now you are ready to see your devices and websites live on the network. There are several ways to get the IP addresses of the devices that are currently on the network, but here I am going to use nmap. This gives a list very quickly using the -sl flags. I begin compiling a list of devices to add into uptime-kuma. Heading back to the page itself, if you click the Add New Monitor button, it will ask you to fill out some details of your devices. In this case, it includes a friendly name and the URL of my website. You can ask Kuma to monitor every 30 seconds and also check for certificate expiration. Awesome! Click Save, and the dashboard changes to a graphical area with various metrics. The website is now monitored. We can add in a second example device. It is my router in my small office. We are going to measure the uptime by using a simple ping. Fill out the friendly name, but now we are going to use the IP address where it says hostname. I've changed the heartbeat interval to 20 seconds. Leave all the other settings as default and hit Save. If you click on the dashboard button on the top right, it shows you a more general overview with all of your devices, including up and down status. As you can see, I have now added a lot more home devices to my monitoring, so I can see what devices are online and how they are performing. And this is all provided for free. Amazing stuff! Thank you for watching this informative video today. We hope you are as mesmerized by this excellent tool as we are. Come back and watch the G-Man channel, and in the meantime, like, share and subscribe. We will see you again for sure.